I'm trying to adjust my brakes. And they made this part pretty easy for these. You pretty much just need an Allen key. You got this little pad right over here. Assuming you have the right key.
The blue set of Allen keys is metric. Most of the fasteners on this e-bike are metric. Also, I've been new on YouTube, but I always need subscribers. And if you like or find any of my content useful or helpful, please feel free to support my channel by subscribing. Have a wonderful day.
Run it in a few clicks. We're going to see what that does. So it gives me a lot better grip. You got to check. We hit the point where when it rotates, it's going to make some noise. A little bit. A little bit, but it's not the end of the world. Motor's not loose. It's the same number. This one be done. I don't think so.
So the back brake is built a little differently than the front brake, and you're going to have to undo these two little Allen bolts on the side in order to get the whole assembly off and slide it off of the disc so that way you can adjust the brake pad. It's a little more complicated, but it works just fine. So you're going to see a silver disc with a hexagon carved out of it, and that's where you're going to put your Allen key. You just spin it a couple turns clockwise in order to reduce the gap between the disc brakes and the or between the pads and the disc, and you spin it counterclockwise in order to increase that gap if you put in new pads. Here I am adjusting the wire and checking the gap to make sure that it'll fit over the disc and that it's not going to drag.
Brakes are very bad.